So this video, we're doing our weekly heat. Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get into this video, go ahead and give this video a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes. The weekly heat. Let's start
Yes,
off with you, my
sir.
brother.
Yes, sir. The weekly heat. So July the 13th, we got those 12s coming out. They're black and orange. Asking price for those are going for $200. These are women pair of shoes. And these shoes here, I am rocking those. I'm rocking those. What about you, bro?
So let us know in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these? I do like the colorway. I think it does, that orange and black makes it pop. I am rocking
Okay.
those as well. And I
Okay.
do have these in my collection.
Okay. I was
This
going
is
to
an
ask you,
older
did you
pair.
have?
So this is a Jordan 31 with that supposed to be similar to the Jordan 1s, but it's a modern version of it. But I don't hardly wear these as much, so I'm not going to be going for the brilliant orange. But I know the men's size will sell out, but I do expect the women's pairs to sit. They call them the WNBA, so I don't know if that's going to bring any hype to the shoe or not, but only time will tell. All right, so moving on to the Air Jordan 6 Craft. This shoe is set to release on July 15th with a retail price of $200. It does feature that craft. As you know, the craft material has a weird material on there. I do happen to have one of these craft 4s. Right now, all the craft shoes are not doing well. So I don't expect this one to do well either for two reasons. Number one, it's a craft, and number two, it's a Jordan 6. Now, for a second, when I looked at this shoe, this is called the White Celestial Gold. I thought it was a women's sneaker, to be honest with you, because it did remind me of the women's gold hoops. You'll see that comparison of the two. This color blocking has been done before. And again, I do not expect this sneaker to sell out. So let us know in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these? How about you, my brother?
Hey, I'm rocking those as well. Hey, they may sit. That's a good thing. But hey, I'm rocking those. Those do get a thumbs up. So moving on the 15th release date, we do have those Air Jordan 7 Chabre. Asking price for those are $200 as well. Forefront of the Jumpman back in '06. I'm rocking these. That shoe there is fitting for the fall. So I can see that shoe doing very well. What about you, bro?
So let us know in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these? I'm also rocking these. They do remind me a lot of that UNC colorway. So, I
Yes,
got to get
sir.
my hands on those.
Yes,
But these
sir.
will sit and these will not sell out. I do expect pick these up at the Nike outlet or get them on StockX for under retail. But definitely, this is the month of the UNC. We had the UNC to Chicago. UNC Low men's releasing that still hasn't released to this day. They're supposed to come out, but they didn't come out. Today is Saturday, July 8th. So then we also have the Jordan UNC toes. This is just pretty much the month of the UNC colors. I guess Jordan Brand is running out of ideas, and they know that the UNC color sells well for them. So I guess they're trying to push the UNC colorways. Hey, I'm not mad at them.
No, not at all. Makes sense. Hey, make perfect. So some marketing scheme. So we get it. Sneakerhead bros, we do get it. But if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say it for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.